Good, welcome. Welcome to Healing Nutrition's YouTube channel. Subscribe, like it, and go through. This is Nelson back again. Nelson Morogo, a born Kenyan African. Do you know that there is only one disease? There are no diseases. It's only one disease. The disease is mucus. If you compromise the mucus membranes, the mucus becomes excess. Secretion of mucus becomes excess. So there's only one disease. If you deal with mucus, if you remove the mucus in your body, there is no other disease that can manifest within your body. It's only mucus. Number one disease is the mucus. Number one disease is the one I'm advocating as per the Dr. Sebi, a renowned herbalist by the name Alfredo Bowman from Honduras, Usha village from Spain. He has inspired a lot. Rest in peace, Dr. Sebi. He died in 2016. And he talked about mucus. Mucus is the only disease, the number one disease in the world. If your body is compromised in the mucus membranes, the mucus membranes releases excess mucus. Once they upon releasing the mucus, it blocks, it denies oxygen it denies cells of oxygen. It denies your cells oxygen, and that's where you'll get sick. Without oxygen in your cells, without oxygen in your body, that is the end of you. And oxygen is 65% according to the composition of the human body. We have got carbon, we have got hydrogen, and we have got oxygen, and part of it is nitrogen. So the number one bigger portion in your body is oxygen, that is 65%. Then the rest follow. So if you have your lack of oxygen, you have a problem. You'll get diseases. And lacking oxygen is as a result of your body is acidic. Your body is acidic. Lack of oxygen is because your body is acidic. The oxygen cannot go through where there is the acidic environment because of the mucus. The mucus blocks the oxygen because already the body is suffering from acid. The mucus is trying to defend the foreign matter which is acidic in your body, hence producing more mucus, and more mucus blocks the oxygen from getting through the cell for its function. The cell has to function metabolically, but if you prevent the cell from oxygen, surely the cell will not function and it will grow to abnormal cell. An abnormal cell is cancer. That's a cancerous already. So we need to get rid of acidic food in your bodies. Let me talk on water. The water that you should be taking should be alkaline. Alkaline water, because your blood is 7.34 pH. So why should you want to take water that is below or it's acidic, number 4 and backwards? Make sure you take water that is alkaline so that it can assimilate with your blood. Your body is 71% or 70% of the water. If you give your body enough water, it's able to fight diseases. You can stay without food, but water you can't. You need to be taking water every day. And water every day, the required amount of water is 2 liters. If you divide by the number of glasses, that's more than 8 to 10 glasses per day. Taking 2 liters of water per day boosts your immunity. Your white blood cells is be able to fight diseases. It's able to move around the plasma. is able to move and attack the foreign matters and work efficiently in your body. So take alkaline water. If you get 8.0, the pH, that is very fine, and be taking it every day so that it hydrates your body. Water is number one weapon to fight diseases. Take alkaline water in your body every day and you are better off. Number two, vegetable green, the chlorophyll. The chlorophyll is number one fighting diseases. Make sure every day your diet is inclusive, majorly inclusive. 3/4 of your diet is vegetable. When you are sick, the portion of the food you are taking is vegetable. Make it good. Take raw. If you take the raw vegetable, take the amaranth leaves, blend or use it and juice extractor, a glass of it like 3 times a day. It's better for you because you are healing nutrition. That is vegetable, one of them, the chlorophyll. And the chlorophyll is very important because it assimilates, it's consistent to your body. The molecular structure of a chlorophyll, the green leafy vegetable, is CHO, and your body is CHO. That one assimilates and gets together very, very well. Very good. And another one is fruits. Fruits, vegetable, and herbs is the most predominantly good kind of healing diet in your body. Fruits, e.g. berries, watermelon, squash. Squash is a vegetable. It's not a carbohydrate. It's a vegetable. Very, very alkalizing into your body. It has got all some of the minerals, very important. Squash, berries, watermelon, amaranth leaves, kales. Or in Kenya, we've got the managu, some local names we call it. Amaranth is called terere in the local vernacular. It's called terere or dodo. So those kind of food are very important. The kienyeji, just to put it in bracket, all the kienyeji food, vegetable are very good in the life, nourishing. Is disease-free healing diet. It falls under disease-free healing diet. And majorly on I haven't mentioned about meat. Meat is poison. Meat is acidic. If you happen to eat meat, it should be, for example, if it is a meat, red meat, you need to be taking it, it's fresh. Take the fresh meat. But I emphasize no meat anyway, because it has uric acid. When you ingest meat, it gives you uric acid. Uric acid is acidic in your body. It produces mucus. Once the mucus is produced, definitely you will fall sick because of the uric acid. Milk, a cow is man-made. That's agricultural. We have got so many types of breed in cows. Ayrshire, Friesian, Jersey. You see, those are types of breed. It's being done scientifically for production of food. And the milk has lactic acid. Lactic acid in our bodies are poison. It gives you mucus in your body, and then definitely you'll get sick again. You will go and see the doctor because of the lactic acid. And that is, I know, when I was growing up, I took all kind of milk because I didn't know. I didn't know what is the consequences of taking milk. It has lactic acid, and I didn't know lactic acid compromises the mucous membranes. So you can take it in moderate amount, but it has lactic acid. You can even do without. You can do without once you have now seen the fact about it. Because, for example, if you have, I think I had flu some times back, and if you have flu and running nose, and you continue taking fresh milk, or you take the fermented, the maziwa mala, in the local vernacular. The chances of clearing the flu very easily is not easy, because the lactic acid compromises the healing. So it's better you stay away completely. So meat has got uric acid, starch has got carbonic acid, milk has got lactic acid. All these compromises your mucous membrane, and that is the disease number one. Disease number one is the mucus in your body. If you get rid of the mucus, you get rid of the diseases. The vegetable will do good in your health because they alkalize. So avoid meat, the red meat, avoid the animal products, become a vegetarian. There's a vegan and a vegetarian.